Hey there, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I have posted videos, so I'm so sorry. In this interesting episode, we are going to be creating our own Python quiz using all the concepts we have learned. So now let's start by greeting the user. So, mm, sorry, mean name equal to input. So we are going to be asking the user what is your name. So I want to ask the user what's your name. So now we are going to be giving a small greeting. Print giving like hi plus name. So we are just greeting the user. After that, we are just giving a small intro about the game. So print give welcome to the Python quiz. That so after that we are going to be giving a small instruction. So like answer all the questions correctly to to win. So an exclamation mark. So so we are going to be started by giving the user a small riddle. So riddle underscore 1 equal to input to be giving us the riddle. So I have kept all the riddles in this document. I'm going to be sending this document in the description below, so you can refer these riddles and you can refer the code. So the first riddle is I am used to store your name or age and I change each time you turn the page. What am I? So I'm going to be copying this riddle and pasting it. Space, just entering it. So we are going to be checking if the user enters the correct answer or not. So we are going to be using an if riddle one dot lower. So this lower function just turns all the words or letters the user types into lowercase. So under double equal to, so we are giving VARIABLE. So under colon, so VARIABLE. Make sure to check the spelling. So print, and then let's see if the user enters correctly. So doing you are correct. So done. So now let's enter an else option. So what if the user enters the wrong option? So for this we are going to be needing an else. So print better luck next time. So two exclamations. So now let's run it and check this out. So run the program, name Jonathan. So hi Jonathan, welcome to the Python quiz. Answer all the questions correctly to win. So I'm used to store your name or age and I change each time you turn the page. What I mean? So the answer obviously is variable VARIABLE. So let's check it VARIABLE. So enter. So you are correct. So now we are correct. So the first riddle has complete. So now let's continue to a second riddle. So in this we are going to be totally adding three riddles. Now as we are going to be continuing this process. Riddle underscore 2 equal to input. So I'm going to be adding the second riddle. So I help to choose between true and false, deciding what happens, who's the boss. So to copying this riddle. So the answer is if else statement. So paste it and enter. So same we are going to be checking it. Alright, riddle 2 equal to input. I mean 2 dot lower and parenthesis double equal to. So I'm going to giving if so else if else statement. So colon. So we want to type print you are correct. So next the else, like if the user does the wrong option, giving the else. So now we'll be giving the else as better luck next time. So completed the second riddle. So as the process continues for the riddle 3. Riddle underscore 3 equal to input. So we are going to be copying the third riddle. So I draw shapes without a hand, turning and moving on a command. Who am I? So it's obviously answers turtle. So drawing shapes to the hand and running on a command. So it's turtle. So now checking it. So if riddle 3 is dot dot lower equal to, so the answer is turtle. So the giving a colon. So print you are cut. So the same for the else. Giving print la better same. The luck next time. So we have completed all the three riddles. So now let's test this out. So what's your name? Jonathan. So hi Jonathan. Welcome to the Python quiz and solve the questions correctly to win. So I'm going to store a name, so it's variable. So VARIAB. So you are correct. So I helped you choose between true and false, deciding what happens, who's the boss. So as we did here the major part, choosing between true and false. So it's if else statement. So you are correct. So I draw without the shapes to the hand, turning and moving on your command. So it's RTLE total. So you are correct. So answered all correct. So why can't so we are going to be giving the user an exit command. So like print like come again next step. So I want to change this commas. Let's play. So play again next time. So this is our code. So now this is all for today's episode. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. So until the next episode, bye. Stay tuned.